Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling assets and creating the canvas so you stay focused. Open Picsart, tap the plus button and pick canvas. Set 1080 x 1920 or your phone's native resolution to prevent stretching. Import your main photo first so layering feels natural, then add supporting images and stickers. Use the crop and rotate tools immediately to frame subjects. This saves edits later. Once done, name the project and save an initial copy. Make sure to keep original images for color matching and backup. You now build the visual composition by stacking and blending. Place foreground elements on top and lower opacity for background layers to create depth. Use multiply or screen blend modes to integrate light and shadow. When edges look harsh, apply the erase tool or a soft mask to feather them. This preserves non-destructive edits. Next, match colors. Adjust hue, saturation, and curves on each layer so lighting feels consistent. Once balanced, group related layers and lock them to avoid accidental shifts during fine-tuning. You finish by refining and exporting so the wallpaper looks polished on screen. Do selective sharpening on focal areas and add a subtle vignette to guide the eye. Avoid overprocessing, which flattens images. Check spacing for icons by previewing on your device. Make sure key subjects don't sit under clock or widgets. Export at full resolution as PNG or high-quality JPG. If alignment or color shifts appear on the device, reopen the saved project. Tweak layer positions or color profiles, then re-export. That usually fixes common issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.